Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing Thank God It's Natural's new rose water collection. My hair is already detangled and put into sections. This is my first time using this brand in a while, so when I saw they were coming out with this new collection, I knew I just had to get my hands on it, and I'm glad I did. So I'm starting out with this sulfate-free hydrating shampoo, and guys, it was definitely hydrating. We got a little bit of lathering going on, but not too much, so I really liked that. My hair just felt really clean. Like, it didn't feel like my hair was getting stripped of any oils or anything. It just felt like all that dirt was really just getting out, and that was it. So I'm rinsing it out. My hair felt really nice and clean, but not like that squeaky clean feeling. I could still feel that it still had some natural oils in it. So now I'm going in with the hydrating hair mask, and this mask had a really nice consistency and it smelled really good. I like the way that it just felt going through my hair. It didn't feel like anything crazy amazing. It just feels like a really nice hydrating hair mask. So I kept my hair in sections, just adding the hair mask to each section and then retwisting it back up and moving on to the next ones. I like doing it this way just to ensure that each section of my hair is getting all of that mask and really getting moisturized, because I don't want to miss any pieces of hair. So it says that this mask is a gentle hydrating deep conditioner, and I will definitely say that it is gentle. It's not super thick, it doesn't feel really heavy on my hair, and it says it's recommended for all hair type. So I'm just gonna finish applying this and let it sit for a while. I'm just gonna do some chores around the house and clean up a bit, and then I'll come back to rinse it out and let you guys know what I thought. Okay, so my hair definitely felt hydrated and really soft while I was rinsing out this hair mask, and my twist felt super juicy and bouncy. Now, this wasn't my all-time favorite hair mask or deep conditioner, but I did really enjoy it. It was definitely super satisfying, not only rinsing it out, but watching it get rinsed out of my hair. My hair definitely looks good and really healthy, but it also felt really nice too, just rinsing out these products. I definitely feel like they worked well on my hair. So now I'm going to be adding the leave-in conditioner in the shower while my hair is soaking wet and my cuticles are open, just to really ensure that that moisture is getting into my hair and actually penetrating my hair shaft. It says that this is a smoothing leave-in conditioner, and it's supposed to make your hair feel soft and smooth and reduce frizz, and so far it's pretty much doing that. My hair does feel soft and smooth. I can't really talk about frizz right now just because I'm applying it right now. So when I actually unravel the twist to add the gel, we'll see if it really is kind of smooth and less frizzy. Also, since some of you guys are probably wondering, I do wash my hair in twists because it helps reduce any shedding or breakage that happens during wash day. So if you experience either of those two things, I highly recommend washing your hair in twists. So this is what my hair is looking like, all freshly washed with the leave-in conditioner in, and my hair looks and feels pretty good so far. So now I'm going in with the curl defying styling gel, and I'm just working one section at a time. So I'm just unraveling one of my twists, and my hair looks pretty moisturized. It feels really good, really soft, definitely hydrated. So I just took 2 pumps of the gel. I had to double check, but it does also smell pretty good. So I'm just applying this how I would normally when I do wash and goes. I'm pretty heavy handed when it comes to gel with wash and goes, so I'm really hoping that it doesn't flake When I use Eco Styler gel, my hair never flakes using it, but I really like this product. It definitely clumps and defines my curls really well. I'm highly convinced that parts of my hair do have medium porosity, and that's why they take to products a little better and get a little more defined when I use it. But I really like this gel. Like, I love the way it felt going on my hair. It really does clump and define my curls a lot. Now I will say it doesn't feel super heavy, so I don't know how this definition will hold once it dries, but we're gonna see. Fingers crossed that it all goes well. But like, you guys, you see like these sections of my hair, like the curls are popping. I really wanted to do a wash and go using these products because they had this styling gel and a mousse, and if you guys know, I love pairing a gel and a mousse on my hair when I do wash and goes. It just makes my curls pop. I get that volume and shine. It's really a good combo, so I wanted to see if it would work using these products. Alright, so I'm just gonna fast forward through the rest of these sections and come back when I'm done applying the gel all over. So now I'm just parting my hair to the side. Side parts are my favorite when it comes to wash and goes, and honestly any style, side parts are my go-to. And then I'm just adding a little more gel to smooth out both sides. My hair is starting to shrink up a little bit in the back and on the sides, but it's cool. I used about 1/4 of the bottle of gel, so that's not too bad. So now I'm going in with the curl defying mousse. It says use a dollop, but that's just not me, so I used like 5 pumps already to just spread over the top of my hair, and I'll just be adding 1 or 2 pumps sporadically to add to the rest of the sections of my hair. I'm really making sure that mousse is going all over because it really does leave a nice shine on top of my hair once it dries. I'm really liking this product a lot so far. It feels really good on my hair, and I'm able to just run my fingers right through it with no problem, so that's a good sign. Any styling foam or mousse just does a really good job to add that nice shine on top of your hair, but it definitely doesn't have enough hold to just use by itself on the wash and go, so that's why I put it on top of the gel. So I'm gonna let this dry and come back with my finished results and my final thoughts. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. This is the finished product. I absolutely love it. Like, I'm literally in love with my hair right now. This is a look. This is a good wash and go. Like, I'm thoroughly pleased with my results. I'm shook. It looks good. So overall, I really enjoyed all these products. The shampoo was definitely hydrating. I love the hair mask. It smelled really good. It was definitely hydrating. My hair felt super soft and bouncy after taking that out. The leave-in conditioner was like perfectly moisturizing. It was a really good thickness, and I thought it worked really well in my hair. The styling gel, I liked it. Like, I really liked the way that it went on my hair. Like, I liked the application process of it, but I'm pretty sure it made my hair flake. I definitely did experience some flaking. Not major, but it definitely happened, so I have to speak on it. I also want to say I could have played a part because I am very heavy-handed when I use gel, so maybe I just used a little too much of this, but I use a lot of gel when I do wash and go, so that's just what it is. I'm gonna, you know, use it how I typically would use gel, and that's what I did. And then I put the curl defining mousse on top. I really like this. I like the way it just like ran through my curls and it left a really nice shine on my hair. So I do like this product, and I don't think this caused flaking at all. I've never experienced flaking with a mousse before, so I doubt that that was it. But overall, I love these products. This was a really good line. Again, everything smelled really good, nice and fresh. And overall, it was honestly just aesthetically pleasing to me. Like the black and pink, it was so cute. I really loved it. I'll definitely be using them again. Definitely would recommend purchasing and trying them out for yourself. But I enjoyed using all these products and showing you guys like my full wash day start to end. I really like doing videos like this, doing like a whole product brand review, like a whole collection. So if there's any like collections that you guys think that I should try that I haven't tried before, definitely let me know. I'm very happy with these results. I can't even lie. So overall, I would give this collection a 9 out of 10. Just taking off 1 point for the styling gel because it flaked, but again, it wasn't a huge deal. I don't think you can probably see it a little bit, but you can't really see it. So I just took off a point, but that's all. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.